I was born by the river. In a little town, just like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. It's been too hard living. Oh, I'm afraid to die. I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long, long time coming, and I know change gonna come. Oh yes it will. Now I go to my brother and I say, brother, help me please. But somehow he winds up knowing. Back down on my knees. I wanna know what's going on. There were times that I thought I wouldn't last for too long. Now I think I'm able to carry on. Been a long time coming, but I know that I change gonna come. Oh yes it will. Now I go to my brother, just hoping he will listen to me. And I said to him, brother, can you help me please? Oh yeah, baby. Somehow it won't stop knocking me back down on my knees. I wanna know what to do for the things to come. There were times that I thought I would last for long. Now I think I'm able to carry on. It's been a long, long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes it will. But I know that a change man's coming. Oh, yes it will. And I know change, yeah, change gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, yes. Somehow, someday, almost every day and night, I keep thinking to myself, somebody didn't ask, no starving out somewhere. 'Cause everybody's taking care of money, and I wonder who care about love. 'Cause everybody's crying, everybody's suffering, Lord. Day by day, night by night, oh, it's hard to go.